We're looking for entry-level positions. Anyone off the street can come in and work.
You just need to have a good work ethic.
It's learn on the job. So we have really good training programs.
We're looking for people with good work ethic. We'll train you. Come on down.
I'm Sherry Thorpe, the HR manager at Formrite. Looking for hardworking individuals who are, I think, just willing to learn a new trade, maybe a new skill.
We need 5 new people per month. 5. We're trying our best to hire 5. If we can do that each consecutive month, total of 12 months, that's 60 new people per year.
You can come from any walk of life. Always looking for women.
The 4 10-hour work weeks are great right now, so you gotta love that. Gotta love the 3-day weekends, right?
There is a profit sharing plan. As the company is successful, you're successful.
We have a profit sharing program that's really good here. Every quarter we get a check.
If we hit our financial targets, the employee gets $500 every calendar quarter.
That's what I like. You know what? I'm going to use it to buy a motorcycle.
We have a family atmosphere, chances for advancement,
401k match.
learn a skill.
In fact, we get a lot of our new employees coming from organizations where they're just not enjoying what they're doing.
It's a very good company. I was lucky get job in. When I came in here, I was basically new, without no experience. Every department where I was working, every position, I get great trainer. I proved that I'm working here. I've been in 6 years.
It's a great place to work and very fun.
Yeah, I love working here. I started working here about 6 years ago. I started in a welding department here, and I just recently moved to the office as an engineering assistant.
So I started out in the shipping department 20 years ago, and then I was moved into the supervisor on second shift in shipping, and then I went into the office. It's a great place to work.
Here at Formrite, we have what's called a no-jerk rule. If we have employees that are jerks, we try to weed them out. Life's too short to work with jerks.
It's a great place, yes.
I tell my employees every day, if you don't look forward to coming to work, we're doing something wrong. Life is too short to come to work and not love what you're doing. I can tell you that at this facility, the vast majority, if not all employees, love coming to work every day.
Dziękuję za pracę z Formrite.
The first interview that you come in for, you're going out and taking a tour right away and see if it's something that's going to work for you. There's no reason not to try us out. I'm Sherry, the HR manager. Give us a call, try us out.
Come join our team.